Welcome back, guys. So there's another thing we can do right now. We can actually steal, not steal, we can actually copy a design. This is a design we want to copy right now. So let's copy this right away. So I'm going to snip this out. I'm going to snip it out. Yes, that is what I call it. So I'm going to use my snip tool to snip this out just to have. So now, because I like this design, I saw it, then I like it. So I'm snipping it out. So I just snipped it out. Then let's use Cloud to get the idea of how to design that. So I'm going to upload, I'm going to add some files. So let me add some files. Like I would love to add more like a brand guideline, but I don't think I have that on this right now. So I don't have it. So I'm just going to add the logo instead. So I'm going to say, okay, no, let me add the logo just yet. So let me just add the snipped design, the one I want to replicate. So I'm going to come to pictures, then I'm going to come right here to use this. So I just attached the image of the design I want to replicate. So I'll say I want to replicate and improve this design for Blood Tech Academy scholarship program. So I would say it is a creative design that says enter the bus to June course, 100% tuition free scholarship program. Okay, so the bus would have an inscription that says apply now, now. Okay, we're going to have the exact website you're going to apply on. So that's the next thing we're going to do. So let's copy the link of the application. So we're going to say apply now or apply here. So we're going to say apply here. So let the students, so what I want to do now is to give me a prompt. Give me a prompt to replicate the layout of this very design. The car should be a bus. Okay, should be a bus. So let's see what this will do. So we're trying to replicate and doing some tweak to a design we saw online, so we can have something different. So then when I get to the prompt, I can now input our color code. So you create the layout of a social media announcement card. The background is vibrant royal blue at the top left. So we have all these, and okay, so the art is Blood Tech Media. Yes, and another thing we should feature is apply here. Yes, so now the color code should follow the color code in the attached logo. Okay, so let's get that logo into this right now. So I'm going to come to my document, come to Blood Tech Academy, choose the logo, and there we are. So correct the prompts for me. So let's do this. Let's have the correction, and once we are done having the correction, then we can now start using ChatGPT or Google AI or Google Flow. So let's see what the new prompt would be about. So here we have a new prompt that is recreating the old design for us. So let's see what we have right now. So there we have it. So I'm going to copy the new prompt right now. So there we have all these right now. So let's copy the new prompt and see what the result would be like if it's anything closer to what we had. So I'm going to paste this, then I'm going to have it sent, and coming back to Nano Banana as well. Let me do the same with Nano Banana. So I'll use Nano Banana Pro, of course, and let me have this sent, and let's see what the result would be. So this is Nano Banana on Google Flow, and this is ChatGPT. So we are waiting for that to generate all these designs for us. So we can see what the design would look like if it will be anything closer to what we snipped out earlier on, which is this, but we did some refinement, of course. So let's see what this would be like finally. So here it is. Look at what we snipped out, and let's see what the new design we are trying to replicate. Let's see what it finally looks like. So here is ChatGPT, and look at what it did. So it says, enter the bus to June court, 100% free scholarship program. Your seat is waiting. Don't miss the ride to your future in tech. I think this is very, very okay. This is very, very okay. I think this is very, very okay. This is very, very okay. I think it's very, very okay. Yes. So what I will do now is the tertiary color. The tertiary color is orange. Okay, orange. Correct. The is orange, not amber yellow. Not amber yellow. Correct the prompt for me. So I'm going to have that. I'm going to have the sent right now. So that has been sent. So let's see what the correction will be. So let's see what this did. Now look at this. This is not looking bad as well. Okay, so this is not looking bad as well, but there's something I would love to change. So let's say, so only one correction should be made here. Now let's say this is a correction, and I'll say the text looks clumpy and clumsy. The boss can be better. Let it have, or let it depict real imagery. So let's get a better prompt. The text looks crampy and clumsy. The boss can be better. Let it depict real imagery. So let me have this sent right now, so we can have something better. So let's see what the result will be like right now. So it's creating a bold cinematic social media announcement card. So let's see what we're going to have right now. So here we have it. Okay, so we are having a new design overall. So let's see what this will do. Let's see if this will be any better. So we'll go with something like this. So let me copy this right now, and let me go to ChatGPT to get that done. So I'm going to use ChatGPT to get this done, and come to Flow as well to get something done with Flow as well. So let's have it sent. So let's see what the new result would be like. So we're going to have something to work with. So here is ChatGPT, and we're trying to replicate something like this, but in a better way. If we wanted to replicate this the exact way, of course we would have been able to do that the exact way, yes, with no stress at all. So you can actually, let's do that. Let's try to replicate that, but let's get our design first, and let's see what we're going to have. So let's get our design, and let's see what the results would look like if it will be any better. Yes, so we have something like this. I think this is better. This is actually better, but I would not use this. Yes, I'll not use this, but you got the point I was trying to drive out. So let's see what this would look like. So I'm trying to drive out the point that you can actually use AI to make your designs, and you can use to replicate designs. So this is one of those cases where you do that. And let's say the design still looks bad. The design still looks bad. Can you make the prompt be sentence like so? Nano Banana Pro, we understand it. We understand it, and it should be an African settings. Okay, so let's do something like that. So let's see what that will be. So let's see what this did. So this says enter the bus to June court, 100% free. So we could do some edit. I think this is better. So let me edit it. So now trying to edit, I'll select this area for now. Yes, I would say cut out the selected parts. Okay, cut out the selected parts, the selected area, and change the color to that highlights June quote to orange. Okay, so those are the two changes we'll make. So let's see what the results would be, by the way. So we're going to have that, and here we have a refined design. So this is a refined prompt. So let's get this. Let's see what this would do right now. So let's see if we get anything special this time around. So I'm going to copy this, then let's try to use this Nano Banana Pro to get that. So I'm going to use that, and coming back here, let's see what ChatGPT will do with the same prompt as well. So we are trying to edit this other one, so let's edit that as well. So I'm trying to edit this one. I'm going to get this one out, then I'm going to get a new design from the new prompts this just generated for us. So let's see what we have right now. So we can actually do this. If you see a design that you like, you can go replicate it, then change the details to what you want as your brand. So here we have the June code. So here we have enter the bus. I think this is very okay. I think this is perfect. This is perfect for what I wanted. So we finally gotten a good result. So I'm going to download this right away. I think that is perfect. Yes. So I'm going to use Canva to definitely edit. Yes. So that's perfect. And coming back here, so let's see what the results would be like right now. So this now was supposed to correct creating image. Which image you like more? Enter the bus to your future. So let's see. I'm waiting for the correction right now. The correction. So this is okay. This is the new one. This is the new one this created, which looks good as well. I think we've seen the design we're going to use. This looks very good. So this looks very good. So all I have to do is just take out this part that is not needed. Okay, so I'm going to take out that part. That part is not needed. So I'm going to say remove the selected part. Remove the selected. Okay, remove the selected part. Okay, and June quote text should be in this color code. So let me get the exact color code I want to change that to. So I could easily get the color code here on Canva. So let's do something like this. So I want to get out a color code so I can use. So right now I'm going to have a new image brought in, since we'll be able to do some designs and from the application we've been doing. So I'm going to get out the color code I needed. So this is the exact color code I'm needing. So I'm going to get this out. So let me get it out right now. So it's salmon. is salmon, not orange actually. So I'm going to just get it out right now. Copy, that's the color code. Then I'm going to come to ChatGPT to add the color code, and that is that. So we can do the same to Google Flow. Yes, it's even perfect. It's perfect already. So Google Flow does not need too much. And if you are to edit here, all you have to do is to click on this. So you see we have select. So you could actually select this part and tell it to take it off. Take take off the selected parts. So let's see what the result will be. So let's do that edit right here on Google Flow. And back to this, we have this, we are trying to create something new. So let's see what the new result will be. So this is the new result. I think, okay, remove and June color should be in this color code. I think this works better. This is fine. So but the selected part was not removed, so we have to do that. So I could actually select it now. I would say I don't need this part I selected, so I would say I don't need this part I selected. Okay, which is perfect. So I'm going to say I don't need that part. So don't let me need that part. Let's see what the results would be like. So this now we're trying to edit. So that has been taken off and we're good to go. So I'm going to download this as well. So let me just take out some of this picture. This one is not going to work here. So let me wait for the new downloaded version of what we just did. So that's how to go about using Claude to make designs as a creative or as a virtual assistant. So here we have this, and we are trying to take out the CB, of course. So now it has been taken out finally. So we can now download this as well. So we are good to go. So now we have all our designs set. So all I have to do is to download that. Then coming back to Canva, all I have to do is to bring them in one by one. So let me bring them in one by one. So I'm going to upload, and I'm going to upload this file. So we have two types. So let's do that, and let's bring them in. So this goes now. And which other type do we have? This. Okay, let me see that. Okay, so it has taken that out, but the color, okay, I think it's fair enough. So we can do with this, then this as well. So let me just have this. Let me set the image, and let me set the image right here. So I think we are good to go. We are actually very good to go. So we could download this too. So let me just download this first one first. So I'm going to download this one. I'm going to say current page. So this time I don't want to download this current page. Then I'm going to download the current page. I'm going to do the same for this as well. I'm going to download the current page. So I'm going to click on download. I'm downloading in PNG, of course. So I'm going to download in PNG. So I could say 2 here, but I'm going to download in PNG right here. And I will say current page as well. Okay, so it's going to be the current page as well, and there we have it. So we have those two images right now. So I'm going to take this out, take this out. So we have those two right away. So we'll be able to make some serious designs, and as you can see them, they all look good. Yes, if you see it very well, these are the designs we made with just prompting. So that is very good. Some designers will not even be able to make a design as good as all these. So we are good to go basically right now. So that's how to go about you using AI and Claude AI to create prompts that creates designs for you on Image Generator 2. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.